In today's video, I will teach you how to make a collage using PicMonkey. Let's get started. In PicMonkey's homepage, click on the collage option and select a canvas preset for your design. Or you can simply input your own canvas size on the upper right corner. Once you've created a canvas for your collage, you can now personalize your collage. You have the option to pick among the collage templates based on the number of photos you're planning on adding. Once you've decided which template to use, you can now upload your photos into PicMonkey. To do this, simply click on the Photos and Videos option, and you can choose among thousands of stock images in PicMonkey's library. Or you can upload your own files by clicking on Add Photo or Video button. And once you've uploaded your photos, you can now simply drag and drop the image into the collage. To reposition the image, simply click and drag on it. To resize the collage style, you can click and drag on either the horizontal or vertical handle. You also have the option to autofill the cells by simply clicking on the autofill cell option at the bottom of the Photos and Videos panel. To remove the image from the collage, just select the image and click on the X option at the upper right corner of the selected image. To change the background color of the collage, go to the Layers panel and select the background layer, and in the toolbar, open the Background Color panel. And here, you have the option to fill the background layer with any color that you can think of. You can also change the background into textures. First, make sure that the background layer is selected. Then go to the Textures panel and select among the hundreds of textures in PicMonkey's texture library. You can also just use another photo as your background. To do this, go to the Photos and Videos panel and select an image either from the stock library or upload your own photos. Now, click and drag the image of your choice. In the Layers panel, drag the image layer below the collage images. Now, resize and reposition the background image until you're satisfied. And once you're done, you can now download it to your computer or share it to your social media accounts. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new tutorials.